welcome to my channel Gosia at Home Cooking. Today I like to show you very nice healthy recipe for asparagus with carrots, and I hope you enjoy. For today's recipe I need asparagus. There will be 1 pound, 4 carrots, 4 cloves of garlic, salt, pepper, Italian dressing, 2 tablespoons, 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of green parsley, and 1 tablespoon of oil. I use the avocado oil today. First step, I will remove the hard part from asparagus. It's easy to break. The hard part will stay, and just burn and break like this. Just green and the soft part we're using. Next step, I will peel carrot. I will cut each carrot in half. I will have same length almost as asparagus. Very beautiful dish today. I cut in half. Next step, I will steam vegetables. I will steam my vegetables, asparagus and carrot, in this cute steamed basket. We'll check how this works. Looks beautiful, but we see. I will steam on a high heat. I steam vegetables for 9 minutes. Looks like they're ready. I try to lift this. Looks like this steamer basket is not actually a good idea. Next time I have to use the metal one. It's much stronger. Now I'll place asparagus in icy water to stop the cooking process. First step, oil. 1 tablespoon garlic, Italian dressing, salt, pepper, thyme, green parsley, and my vegetables. Cover with this beautiful, delicious ingredients, and it's done. Asparagus with carrots is done. Thank you so much for watching, and please like, share, and comments. And maybe subscribe. I hope you have a great day. Dziękuję bardzo. Smacznego. Bye bye.